Hello, welcome to Knitting Nicely. Today is the first day of December, and so I wanted to make a little video, and it's December, so crafters like me and you, knitters, crocheters, people who like to work things with their hands and make handmade gifts are right now very busy finishing up or starting new projects. And so I wanted to give you some great ideas on what you can do if you are running a little behind and you haven't started a project yet. These are some really quick knits that you can make relatively quickly depending on how fast you can knit. So my first suggestion is for people who are just starting out knitting, who don't have a lot of experience, but who really want to make something cool for their friends or family. And that's this cute little teddy bear. And all you have to do is knit a square about 8 inches by 8 inches, and then you can fold it up into this little bear. If you need help making this, because I don't sell a pattern for it, if you want help making this, you can book a class with me and I will show you how to cast on, how to do the garter stitch that you see here, how to bind off, and then how to fold it into this cute little bear. I'll put a link in the description for that. The next idea is, these ones are really small and you can make just one, or you can make a full set. This would be a great introduction for learning how to cable. These are little coasters that you can cable. The first one in the set is just 1x1 cables. And then as you learn how to cable, you can advance to the different styles here. It's a set of 4 and it's sold as one pattern. So that's your second idea. That one's really fast. You could just make one really fast, or you can make a whole set of 4 in whatever colors you like. Here's another suggestion. A lot of people like to use hand knitted dishcloths because they're durable and they're soft, and or they can use it as a washcloth. I like to use a hand knitted washcloth because it is very soft. I recommend cotton for these, or either that or a cotton and linen combo yarn, or even just a plain linen yarn. Linen is kind of scratchy at first, so I recommend like a dishcloth with that. But linen does become softer and softer the more you wash it. But here's an idea. These are little squares, and I have lots of patterns for knitted squares, lots of different styles. This one's a little daisy style. Here's a checkered style for the men in your life. And here is a double moss pattern. It's a really simple stitch, great for beginners. And then here's a little bit more advanced pattern. This one's lace. And of course I will put a link to all those different patterns in the description so you can find them easily. Another great cabling quick knit, relatively quick, would be a cabled cowl. This one is cabled throughout, and it has these cool side cables. They're braids. So if you are proficient at cabling and you like the look of that, then you can make a cowl for a friend or for yourself. Another really great idea, actually 2 more great ideas for beginners. And it's very Christmassy. Here's one that's very Christmassy. I don't have them with me right now, so I just printed out a picture of them. But they're these little Stockings Coasters. They look like Christmas stockings, and they're really fast to knit. It's just garter stitch. You just pick a red or a green yarn that you enjoy, and then a little bit of white, and there you go. You got a quick gift. Those would really make a cute little topper for any present that you have to give. Here's another one that's great for beginners. This is a little bath spa set. The pattern comes with a pattern for a quick garter stitch washcloth that has a nice little border around it and an I-cord loop to hold it. And then the pattern also includes a cute little a soap holder. So you can use this, you could put the soap inside and then use it as a scrubber. Okay, so those 2 are great for beginners, and I will also put those links into the description for you. And then my last one that I have been working on lately, that I haven't announced here on YouTube yet, but that I'm pretty proud of because it all started with a journey to Montana. I live in Illinois. And I went to Montana with my siblings and we had a really fun time working on a ranch. And the ranch owner had this kitchen that had lots and lots of chickens in it. Roosters mainly, but lots of chickens. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to create something for her just as kind of a little thank you for having us at her ranch. And so I created a little pot holder that has a rooster on it. So this is the first pot holder that I created. This is it's double knit. So it's the reverse colors on the back as on the front. And then just from there, I designed a bunch of more double knitted pot holders. I mean, I've got lots of them. So I'll put a link in the description for my shop that includes all the patterns for these. You can buy them separately. You can buy them as bundles. Here's one that is especially for Christmas. It's winter. Here's another winter one for Christmas. I'm working on a polar bear one that will be up either by the end of today or tomorrow. I have sets like these ones are great for holidays. They say thankful, blessed, grateful. I think that's backwards. The words are probably backwards for you, but on the actual pot holder, it's written so that it's readable on both sides. So you can see thankful on that side and thankful on this side. I have farm animal set, and I also have a spooky animal set. So here's an example of the spooky animals. You can see all these. These ones are fun because in the corners you can see, here's the bat and then the spider, and then I have another one that's the main character is the spider, but on the corners it's a rat. And then I have a main character of a rat somewhere here. The rat. And on the corners you can see a raven. And then the main character is the raven. On the corners you can see a cat. And then the main character is a cat. And on the corners you can see a bat, which leads us back to the bat. So anyways, those are my suggestions for you. Like I said, I will leave I'll leave links in the description box for all of these patterns, all of these ideas. If you want to just shop on my Etsy shop or my Ravelry shop, you can see all my patterns that I have. If you're more ambitious, you're a fast, quick knitter, you can make something as big as a shawl. Here's a Braille shawl that I designed. If you knit really fast and you start today or tomorrow, you could do this and have it ready for Christmas for something really special. Anyways, I just wanted to say hi because I haven't said hi on this channel for a while in person, and I wish you all happy holidays and happy knitting.